One TV special report.
May I request the Secretary, Attorney Ronnie, to please call the roll.
Honorable Puente Cipres.
Present.
Honorable Lim. Honorable Ko. Honorable Romero Desikan. Honorable Suiso Jr.
Present.
Honorable Lau. Honorable Sakin Jr. Honorable Tapayan. Honorable Salvador. Honorable Waminal Jr. Honorable Canlas Jr. Honorable Dway Lungsod. Honorable Bation. There are 12 members present, including the Honorable Acting Presiding Officer.
Considering that we have 12 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. We would like to acknowledge Honorable Canlas to be here. So we have 13 members present for today's regular session. Once again, good afternoon. Since the City Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia Bibineri, assumed as the acting City Mayor, this humble representation succeed as the acting City Vice Mayor. So now, I will now give the floor to our Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Marcelian Tapayan.
Yes, Honorable Chair, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy New Year 2024. This is our first session for this year, 2024, Honorable Chair. And in this session, we have no visitors or guests who wish to avail of the People's Hour. So we proceed with item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are also no proposed written instructions being sent to my office, Honorable Chair. So, accordingly, I move urgent motion for approval of the agenda for the day as furnished to everybody, Honorable Chair.
The approval of the agenda for the day is hereby approved. On joint motion, motion approved. Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 6, approval of the minutes of previous sessions. There are no copies of the minutes of the previous sessions attached to our order of business. So we proceed to item number 7, letter D, messages and communications. These communications, Honorable Chair, are various resolutions from the Second Legal of Misamis Occidental, giving appropriate action to our legislative enactments of our Second Legislature of Misamis City. And may I start with number 1, resolution number 706-23, approving ordinance number 1271-2023, an ordinance prescribing the development of the livestock industry in Misamis City, regulating the transport of animals, movement and storage of meat and meat products for public consumption, rabies eradication, imposition of fees and charges, and imposing penalties in violation thereof. Unless there are comments, remarks, observations from my colleagues on this SP resolution approving our ordinance, I recommend, Honorable Chair, that this resolution be just duly noted in the record of City Council, Honorable Chair.
In messages and communication, letter D, number 1, resolution number 706-23, approving ordinance number 1271-2023, an ordinance prescribing the development of the livestock industry in Misamis City, regulating the transport of animals, movement and storage of meat and meat products for public consumption, rabies eradication, imposition of fees and charges, and imposing penalties in violation thereof. This item is duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 2, Resolution number 707-23, approving ordinance number 1256-2023, an ordinance institutionalizing the Central Samis Rice Farmers Full Assistance Program and allocating funds for the implementation thereof. Honorable Chair, this resolution of Senator Ligan is also an approval of our ordinance which gives full assistance to our rice farmers in Samis City. I again recommend that this resolution be duly noted in the records of City Council.
As being stated by our majority floor leader, this item number 7, letter D number 2, resolution number 707-23 is duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 3, resolution number 708-23, approving ordinance number 1254-2023, an ordinance adopting Executive Order number 305, series of 2004, and its implementing guidelines devolving to municipal and city governments the realization of fishing vessels 3 gross tonnage and below, and amending the City Fisheries Code of Samis Ordinance number 886-2003 for the purpose. Again, in the same manner, I recommend that this approval of ordinance by Secretary Legal of Samis Hospital be just duly noted in the records of City Council.
As being manifested by our majority floor leader, this resolution number 708-23 approving ordinance number 1254-2023 is being noted by the Chair. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Another resolution by the Secretary Legal of Samis Occidental, resolution number 737-23, which approves our ordinance number 1258-2023, an ordinance creating the Sinso Samis Ancillary Services Office. Again, I recommend that this approval by the Secretary Legal of our ordinance be duly noted in the records of City Council.
Resolution number 737-23 approving ordinance number 1258-2023, an ordinance creating the Ascenso Osamis Ancillary Service, AOAS. This resolution is duly noted by the Chair. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 5, resolution number 738-23 approving ordinance number 1257-2023, an ordinance creating the Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Division under the Office of City Mayor and funding its corresponding engineering positions. Again, I move that this approval of our ordinance by Secretary Ligan of Samis Occidental be duly noted in the record of City Council.
As being stated by our majority floor leader, that this resolution number 738-23 approving ordinance number 1257-2023, this item is being duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, resolution number 747-23 approving ordinance number 1267-2023, ordinance amending section 3, 35, 37, and 39 of ordinance number 1001-04, otherwise known as the Ecological Waste Solid Waste Management Ordinance of Samis City, expanding the scope of the provision on littering and increasing the penalties for its violation. Again, Honorable Chair, I recommend that this resolution approving our ordinance be just duly noted in the record of City Council, Honorable Chair.
This resolution number 747-23, approving ordinance number 1267-2023, an ordinance amending section 3, 35, 37, and 39 of ordinance number 1001-04. This item is duly noted by the chair. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 7, resolution number 767-23, approving resolution number 334-2023, approving the 20 programs, projects, and activities, PPS, under the 2023 General Fund, supplemental budget number 5, in amount of 14,600,871 pesos to be integrated in a 2023 supplemental investment program. I again recommend that this resolution be duly noted in the records of City Council, Honorable Chair.
As being stated by our majority floor leader, resolution number 767-23, approving resolution number 334-2023, approving the 20 PPAs, 2023 General Fund, supplemental budget number 5 in the amount of 14,600,871 to be integrated in the 2023 Supplemental Investment Program. This resolution is duly noted by the chair. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 8, resolution number 768-23, approving resolution number 335-2023, approving the Supplemental Investment Program 2023 General Fund in the amount of 14,600,871 pesos. Again, I recommend that this resolution be duly noted in the records of City Council, Honorable Chair.
Resolution number 768-23, approving resolution number 335-2023, approving supplemental investment program 2023 General Fund, supplemental budget number 5, 14,600,871. This item is duly noted by the chair. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 9, DLG Region 10 Transmittal dated December 22, 2023 with subject letters to select Misamis Occidental Idios the EODB resource of the 2023 audit resorts ease of doing business, Honorable Chair, whereby the Regional Director of the DLG commented that he allows the city government of Misamis for the efforts in streamlining the processes. However, there is still more to be done in complying with various guidelines issued by DLG and other government agencies related to ease of doing business law. And the items which needs to be done are enumerated in this communication, Honorable Chair. I hope members of the Secretariat Body will go over the enumeration so that we have our knowledge of how far we are in our compliance of the law and the guidelines on the ease of doing business law, Honorable Chair. In the meantime, I recommend that this memorandum be also duly noted in the records of City Council, Honorable Chair.
This memorandum from DILG Region 10 transmittal dated December 22 of 2023 with the subject letter to select Misamis Occidental LGUs regarding the Ease of Doing Business 2023 Audit Report. This item is duly noted by the Chair. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no committee reports on my table submitted under item number 8. Item number 9, there are also no pending matters on my table, as well as item number 10. Hence, Honorable Chair, accordingly at this juncture, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Dinky Siso. Honorable Chair.
Honorable Dinky Suiso, you are acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. On PCL matters, we will be rounding up the year-end activities for the upcoming 2024 programs activities for the PCL matters. That also includes our CLLELP, or Legislative Educational Program, the continuing legislative program, including also our new NEO board, the newly elected officers, the election of the PCL national officers, also included in the upcoming schedules, Madam Chair. And our first quarterly meeting for the year will be this coming February 24 at Balianga, Misamis Occidental. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso, for your valuable information. Majority Floor Leader, please.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, may we have the privilege and pleasure to hear on SK matters from Honorable John Phil Dendon Brilansod. Honorable Chair.
Honorable John Phil, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair for your information.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK matters, the Federasyon ng Sangguniang Kabataan ng Ozamis are now creating for the Local Youth Development Council so that makakontinue mis pag-create sa Local Youth Development Plan. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable John Phil.
Honorable Chair, thank you. At this juncture, may we also have the pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable J.J. Canlas. Honorable Chair.
Honorable J.J. Canlas, you are recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Sa ABC Matters, kami mga kapitan wala pa may meeting karon nga month, and this coming January 12 day ang election para sa pre-rated ABC sa province, and isa ang Ozamis sa napili dito nga may animpile ko kanina para pre-rated president sa Misamis Occidental. Dayon wala ining oppose dito.
So moingon na lang mig congratulations na daan.
Thank you.
So wala kay kuan, walay oppose, walay kontra.
Wala ra. Buyag.
Okay. So iandam na nimo ang lechon.
Before you leave here. Mag-ready.
Majority Floor Leader.
Honorable Chair, we shall have two sessions whereby we'll have the nice company of Honorable J.J. Canlas on January 8, this coming Monday, and January 16. So on January 20, that will be Saturday, Honorable J.J. Canlas would become the provincial PDT president, being unopposed, and will become an honorary board member. Thus, regrettably, he will be leaving us this August body. While we will miss him, we'll miss his expertise and experience to contribute to this August body. We might have equally suitable replacement in the person of Honorable Carlo Morayon, his Vice President. So, thank you, Honorable J.J. Canlas, for being with us until next session, Honorable Chair. So, on that note, Honorable Chair, may I be allowed to proceed? May we now have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Bae Linda Bation, Honorable Chair.
The Indigenous People Representative, Honorable Bae Relinda Bation, is hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, ang pagproseso sa selection of IPMR sa City IPMR is 6 months based on guidelines, 6 months before mag-end ang City IPMR, kinahanglan na tamag selection process. So, kay gikinahanglan magud kay naadaghan pa ang proseso gikan sa outlet sa diri sa Ozamis going to province and then going to region. That's why 6 months before mag-end ang City IPMR, kinahanglan ta mag-select of IPMR nga mapuli sa of course nako. So magpadala pa ko og letter ni Mayor for the approval aron maka-select mi sa mga IPS. Mag-schedule mi ana kay kinahanglan ni gud siya kay base sa local nga giya 6 months before gyud nga magproseso ni gud siya IPMR. So wait na lang ko sa decision sa atong halangdon nga Mayor. Thank you.
So bali mo end ang imuhang term, Honorable Bae, this coming July.
Yes, Madam Chair, July.
So 6 months before, so dapat karon ng bulana.
Yes.
Okay.
So kinahanglan pa ko makikistorya ni Mayor or magpadala ko letter para sa approval sa mong ang first manggod nga buhaton is IPS meeting, then ayha na dayon tong pareha sa inyong gitambungan sa una nga sa community na gid siya nga ikanang confirmation. So selection of the IPS only.
So wala pa'y final date? Wa pa kakasulat ni Mayor?
Wala. Actually, 10 unta, pero kinahanglan pa kung makikistorya ni Mayor. Ako pangigikuan kung okay ba na nga pizza. Ang tentative nga 10.
Okay. Thank you for that information,
Thank you.
Honorable Bae. So Majority Floor Leader, please.
Yes, Honorable Chair, may I comment further? Along that line, we will again miss in the future the presence of our honorable colleague because as relayed by her today, he will be around only in his August body until July this year. So she will be replaced by somebody. So we know, Honorable Sir, for just curiosity, if there are candidates, probable candidates, equally qualified and equally talented, just like Honorable Bation, would probably run for her replacement this coming July. Doon na ba tayo mga kandidato nga probably nga mo dagan nga mo puli nimo?
Honorable Bation, you are acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Actually, ang process sa pag-select sa IPMR, sa mga IPS ang mo endorse, but gikinahanglan nako ang approval sa ato ang halangdon nga Mayor o sa ato ang trackings nato kay nagstorya man sad pod mi ni Kong, nagstorya pod mi ni Kong about gikinahanglan gid kun nako nga ma-arrange. Yes, naa na siya giplanuhan duha. Ako ang endorse as City IPMR kay dili man mawala ang akong pagka City chieftain bisan og mawala ko sa ako ang pagka City IPMR. So ang decision making bisan wala na ko sa pagka IPMR, ako gyapon ang decision making kay ako may lang City chieftain. So that's why ako ang mo-endorse sa ilaha, but kikinahanglan gyud nako nga makig-istorya sa atong halangdon nga gobernador, congressman o sa atong halangdon nga mayor, then ay hana din ko istorya sa inyo ha o kinsa ang mahimong mapuli sa ako. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Bai, for that information.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to item number 15, may I manifest that, remembering our previous colleagues, Honorable Evan Sibilio, may this August Bade be informed that his good father passed away few days ago, Honorable Chair. We are sad to know about that, and we bear the sympathy, and may we extend our prayers and condolence to our former colleague, Honorable Evan Sibilio, for having lost his father. Honorable Chair, in this time wherein we have to start the year 2024, starting this year without his father, Honorable Chair. So, we extend our sincere condolences and we offer our prayers for the eternal repose of the father of our former colleague, Honorable Erwin Ochabilio, Honorable Chair.
Yes, our deepest condolences and prayers to our former colleagues, Honorable Erwin Ochabilio. So, Majority Floor Leader, so we'll schedule our visit to.
Yes, Honorable Chair.
Okay.
We'll just have an informal discussion later about it, Honorable Chair.
Okay.
So, in the meantime, I now yield to my colleagues for any relevant and material information for this coming year 2024, or do you might have some announcement which will fulfill this August Bade to have pleasure with your information?
Sir,
I guess there is none, Honorable Chair. There is only a sound of silence. So, I now will proceed to my most unpleasant task. I move to adjourn the regular session, Honorable Chair.
session adjourned.
One TV special report.